Do you have a house that you're looking to sell, but it needs some repairs and you just don't have the money to do those repairs? If so, I've got a solution for you today. Today's video is about homeowners who have a piece of property that maybe needs some repairs. Maybe it needs a new roof, maybe it needs a new heating and air system, maybe it needs some plumbing or some cosmetics. A lot of homeowners actually want to sell in a hot market like we're in at the moment, but they just don't have the means to do so. What we have done is we have created a partnership with a third-party company that would actually provide the funds to you to have those repairs done, and those repairs would be billed to you at closing. So then that now gives you the option to go ahead and get the repairs done that doesn't take any money out of your pocket and enables you to sell for full market dollar. So you're probably wondering, why are we doing this, or why have we created this partnership with this third-party company? Well, the reason is because a lot of homeowners who we are meeting with are actually looking to possibly take less than what they should actually be getting for the property because of these factors. So we have created this partnership with a company that will enable you to get those repairs done, enable you to get top market dollar for your home. And if this is something that is interesting to you and you want us to come out and take a look at your property to kind of give you some input of what you can actually do to get the property sold and what repairs we can help you out with, definitely drop us a line, get in touch with us. There is no cost to this service, and we'll be happy to go over these options with you. And just wanted to reach out to you today and give you those options, and hope you're enjoying these videos and having a great summer, and thank you so much.